Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, fog lamps, HID headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors, privacy glass, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.